Do you know that the person you call a married man today once was with a lot of worries ranging from ah who will I get married to? How will I get married? When will I get married? Three questions. Who will I get married to? How will I get married? When will I get married? Do you know that that same man started somewhere? First, he started with, or he started by searching for whom to marry. After seeing who to marry, he took a step further to make a proposal. He proposed to that woman he has seen to get married to, and after the proposal making, he waited for response. This is amazing. Now, after waiting for the response, unfortunately, the response was positive, which means the lady he saw to be marriable accepted his proposal. That does not end there. Now, don't forget, at first is who will I get married to? How will I get married? When will I get married? But now a proposal has been accepted. The next thing is resources. How will I get married now? Now I've gotten the lady, she has accepted. Now the resources, how will I get married? He started waiting for what? For resources. He thought left, right, everywhere, just to see that he gets resources. Patiently enough, he finally got resources. Now resources has come. The next thing is, when will I get married? And to the glory of God, since money is already at hand, he now finally fixed the date of his marriage. And today, that man is legally and fully married and can be called a married man. Indeed, life is of phases. Life is of phases. I will just stop here. I don't want to reveal more, but I want you to tell me, what moral lesson do you learn here? Apart from the fact that I've exposed a little to you that life is of phases, what other thing can you tell me about fact? Sorry, what other fact can you really tell me about life from this scenario pasted to us? Please just post it and I will definitely respond to your comment. Please, if you like this little video, just give me a like, that's a thumbs up, and also subscribe so that you get more and more of our amazing videos that will be released here. You definitely don't want to miss it. I promise you, you definitely don't want to miss it. See you when next I post a video again.